Walk through the floors of a modern corporate headquarters at midday, and you might notice something unsettling. The monitors are glowing, the servers are humming, but the desks are empty. Historically, the popular image of automation involved mechanical arms building cars on assembly lines, or robots lifting heavy boxes in warehouses. Physical labor was the primary target. Currently, companies across tech, finance, customer service, and marketing are shedding thousands of office workers simultaneously, often citing the integration of new software tools as the reason for the cuts. Economists classify this phenomenon as white-collar displacement. It describes a shift where technology removes the need for specific office functions entirely, creating a gap in the workforce that remains even after economic conditions improve. Securing a comfortable office desk used to provide a reliable barrier against technological obsolescence. Today, sitting behind a keyboard puts a worker directly on the front lines of this transition. This visualization breaks down the corporate calculus. Left, the annual cost of human labor, salary, healthcare, and overhead. Right, the fractional flat-rate cost of an AI license. Over a fiscal year, the software works 24/7 without breaks, consistently outpacing the human productivity baseline. The first tier of this shift is visible at the bottom rung. Large corporate customer support centers are already beginning to empty out. Large language models and automated chatbots have absorbed thousands of these entry-level ticket-clearing positions in a matter of months. The trend is now climbing into mid-level creative departments, specifically marketing strategy and copywriting. Agencies are using generative AI to maintain their previous campaign output while operating with roughly half of their original writing staff. This isn't a collapse of the companies themselves, but an evaporation of the vital entry-level roles that workers have traditionally used to build their careers. The cuts are reaching into the high-paying tiers of the corporate ecosystem, affecting sectors once thought too complex for automation. Senior software coders and financial analysts are facing the same replacement risks that previously affected administrative roles. This curve illustrates algorithmic compounding. Human skill acquisition follows a slow linear path, while AI learning is exponential. At this critical intersection point, the algorithm's capability surpasses the need for human direction, eventually reaching full autonomous operation. Corporate executives are noticing this acceleration and are moving high-level replacement timelines forward to capture these savings years earlier than analysts predicted. The erosion of entry-level roles has expanded into a broader collapse of the corporate structure, effectively dismantling the traditional path to seniority from the bottom up. The traditional blueprint of white-collar stability, the idea that a desk job guarantees lifelong security, is being rewritten in real time. Understanding the speed of this shift provides an opportunity to adapt before the next wave of integration reaches your department. If your role consists of processing data or generating standardized reports, the priority must be upskilling. The goal is to move from performing the manual task to managing and directing the AI tools that execute it. Because these AI systems allow an employer to consolidate roles, relying on a single corporate paycheck creates a concentrated risk. Income diversification, building multiple independent revenue streams, acts as a hedge against your primary role being automated. This involves identifying independent opportunities outside of your employer's control, such as specialized consulting or developing digital products that leverage your specific industry expertise. You can either wait for a corporate restructuring to determine your value, or you can actively position yourself as an architect of the new economy. The shift toward automated white-collar work is accelerating. Long-term survival depends on moving into high-value oversight roles and securing your income before the next integration cycle.
Subscribe for smarter money decisions. Watch the next video to grow your wealth.